Hello everyone, today we will study how to multiply a 3 by 3 matrix with a 3 by 3 matrix by using Casio FX991S Plus calculator. Here you can see I have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, and I have to multiply these matrices. So it's just simple, you need to press mod, and here you can see on 6 number it's written matrix, you need to press 6, and for matrix A you need to press 1. Now for 3 by 3 matrix you need to press 1. For 3 by 2 matrix you need to press 2. 3 by 1 matrix you need to press 3. 2 by 3 matrix you need to press 4. As my matrix is 3 by 3, I will press 1. Now just you need to plug in the elements or entries of this matrix, that are 1 1 1 2 2 2 and then 3 3 3. Once you plug all the values of matrix A, just you need to press shift and you need to press 4. Now press 2 for data, and then you need to plug in the values of matrix B. So you will plug in the values of matrix B, that you will press 2. Okay, as my second matrix is also 3 by 3, I will press 1 here. Okay, now press plug all the values of second matrix, that are 2 1 4 3 1 4. Now 2 1 and 2. Okay, when you plug all the values of matrix B, just press AC. Now you need to press shift 4. Okay, for matrix A you need to press 3. Now simple, you need to multiply matrix A with matrix B, so just symbol of multiplication, multiply. Now press shift again, 4 again. For matrix B this is 4, so matrix A multiply by matrix B, just press equal. Now this will give you the multiplication. Okay, this is your multiplication. So this is how you multiply 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix by using Casio calculator.